Oh, I'm missing you. Baby, I'm missing you. Hey, baby, I'm missing you. Things will never be the same without you. What did I do to deserve this? I didn't even get one last kiss from you. Oh baby, God took your love from me. You needed an angel, so it seems. I need to feel your hands all over me. I need to feel you kissing. I need to feel you holding me. I need to feel your touch, 'cause I miss your love so much. And I can't keep on living this way. I need you here with me. Why did he take you away from me? It's hard for me to tell you I love you as I'm standing over your grave. And I know I'll never hear your voice again. Why did you leave me? Why couldn't you just stay? Because my world is nothing without you. Now I don't know what to do with myself. I would have given you anything just to make you happy, just to hear you say that you love me one last time. I go to hell back over and over again, just to prove to you how much I need you here. There is nothing that I wouldn't do. I cry for you, I lie for you, and there's no doubt that if I could take your place in heaven, I would die for you. Yes, I will. I would rather give up my life than to see tears in your eyes. I can't stand to see you cry, 'cause it's hard for me to tell you I love you as I'm standing over your grave. And I know I'll never hear your voice again. Why did you leave me? Why couldn't you just stay, baby? Because my world is nothing without you. Now I don't know what to do with myself. I just don't know what to do with myself. I can't stop looking at those pictures on my shelf, knowing it was just 1 week ago. Stood there into that picture. There's just one thing that I want to know. Why would God want to hurt me so bad? Does he know how much it hurts to be missing you? Baby, I'm missing you.